Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new and was just passing by, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos when we post. Like this video. Seriously, you don't pay anything to click the like button. That's the only thing that I'll ever ask you to do. Trust me. If you are looking for Forex robots, Forex systems, indicators, and things like that, there are two links in the description box below. Just visit those two blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. There are pages and pages of content on those two blogs. So go through them. People tend to just come here and request things that are already on the blogs. People are just lazy. Don't be that person uh, who wants to be spoon-fed everything. Okay, so let's get into today's video. I got this clip from a friend of mine who has been trying out the system that I recently posted. I'll link the videos on the system are in the description box below, so go through the videos and see the rules, the settings and stuff. This is not to say the system is foolproof. This is not to say it's the best system in the world. I'm the first person to tell you that no forex system is 100% in the world, but maybe you can use it as a basis for your trading. Then you can add in your other indicators or your other ways of trading the forex markets. You can basically start developing from there. So he's also testing the system, and the video that you are watching is actually has been aggressive with it. And yeah, I think the best part of it is today he managed to catch the London Open. And if you're looking at your charts, today is the 2nd of December 2020. At London Open, the GBP, the pound, sort of dropped against the yen. So he was kind of in negative trades because he had been selling GBP, JPY. I think what's crucial about him is he didn't panic and he didn't close his trades. He didn't panic and he did not close the trades that he was in. Although I've reprimanded him, I've reprimanded him on the amount that he was risking for the size of his account. Well, it seems like he held on and things went his way. So yeah, sometimes that's the lesson in it. Don't usually panic when you are in negative. Be calm and see a way and find a way to get out of your predicament. So thankfully for him, he held on and eventually he managed to get out of all those trades with some decent profit. I think it was from $22 up to $30 or something like that. So in a single event, within a few minutes, he had managed to get out of a trade that was around about $10, $15 negative, to actually get out with an $8, $10 profit. I think it's a good trading day. That's a good trading day. Okay, so watch the video and leave a comment in the comments box below. Like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.